we talked about the essence of calculus, right? What is it? Finding something so small. How small? Yeah, we can't even imagine that small. Yes? Okay, let's see. There is a. Come in, come in. This is home. This is office. And if I ask you, fine, no space. Rajan, can you please sit there? कहीं पे? You are patla. No chair. अच्छा, अच्छा. We have 3 extra people, no? अच्छा. Please sit. हाँ. There is a tool, but someone sits there, no? Yeah, someone sits there. इसीलिए थोड़ा जल्दी आओ ना. Come to little early. Okay. The question is, okay. So this is my home, and that's my office. There's a distance of 100 kilometers. Right? At 12 o'clock, I was at home, and at 1 o'clock, I reached my office. Yeah, now they're asking, tell me the speed of my car at 12:25 p.m. How will you find it? Calculate and tell me, no? Calculate and tell me, come on, how much? Why are you taking out the copies? देख के बोलो ना, how much?
125.
No. What is my speed at 12:25? What is the distance traveled? I have to go that basic over. What is the distance traveled? लंबाई कितनी है? 100 किलोमीटर. कितने टाइम में कवर किया मैंने? 1 घंटे में. क्या स्पीड होगा? हाँ? 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Is it clear until here? I am only demanding that you have this thing knowledge. What is speed? Distance traveled upon time. Right? So you all said that given information, I can tell that your speed must be 100 kilometer per hour at 12:25. Yes? Does anyone find any flaw with this argument? Does anyone find any flaw with this argument? It can so happen I may have stopped in between. Yes? So it can happen. I may have rushed. Maybe 200 चल रहा हूं मैं, बीच में रुक गया, सो गया मैं बीच में. There is no motion in between. Right? So when I asked the time at 12:25, you have assumed that in the entire duration I am traveling with the same speed. Yes or no? Yes? Fine. Now let's say I am sampling a bit more. I am giving you more information. At 12:20, I was how much? 30 kilometer away from home. Okay, and at 12:30 I was 60 kilometer away from home. So what is my speed at 12:25? How will I calculate it? This is 60, this is 30, this is 30. ये भी कर दिया, आप बता दो भाई please. At 12:20 I was 30 kilometer away from home. At 12:30 I was 60 kilometers away from home. What is the speed? What is my speed at 12:25? Tell me, no? How much? 30 is the distance traveled in that 20 minutes. Time is in that 10 minutes. Time is 10 minutes. So I am traveling 30 kilometer in 10 minutes. So what is my speed? 3 kilometer per minute. 3 kilometer per minute. Correct? Initially what it was? 100 kilometer per hour by 60. Fine. Are you seeing the speed has changed depending on what? Information. What did I do? I want to find the speed at 12:25. 12:25 से मेरा speed क्या है वो जानना है मुझे. Now they have given the information of कितना चला आजू बाजू का. 30 kilometer, 60 kilometer. So I found out the distance 30, time traveled is 10 minutes. So I found the time. Okay, now even more closer I went. I said 12:23 से लेकर 12:33, 25. Let's give a good number. 28. Yeah, here I was 40 kilometer away from home, and at this point I was 50 kilometer away from home. So what is my speed now based on this new information?
5 kilometers.
How much?
It's like 10 kilometers.
What is the distance traveled in this? In what time? 5 minutes. Are you seeing? The more I sample, the more closer to the real answer I am getting. See, when you travel in a car, you don't start with 100 km per hour, right? You go slowly. Samosa खाने का मन किया, then you go to a shop, you stop there, you stopped here for some time, then you had samosa, taken rest, then again you accelerate, and then you reach here. I am just seeing, अरे तुम निकले थे 12 बजे, पहुंचे 1 बजे. The speed will be 100 km per hour is not true for all the instants. The average speed is 100 km per hour. Now I am saying I want the speed at 12:25. The more information I get closer and closer at 12:25, my answer will be that correct. Are you able to see that the more the closer I am to 12:25, the better my answer will be. Fine. So I want to be very close. How close? I want to be very close. How close? So close that you can't even imagine. I want to be very close to 12:25. So I'll say 12:25. Right, 12:25 is the time. I'll go a little farther. I'll go 12:25 plus dt. What is dt? dt is a time interval which is so small that you can't even imagine. Right? Or isme, in this duration, the distance traveled was dx. dx is the length that is traveled during dt. Now can you tell me the speed at 12:25? dx by dt. dx is the distance and dt is the time traveled. What is dx? dx is the distance moved in dt time. Are you guys seeing it? 12:25 मैंने देखा, यहाँ पे हूँ मैं, x पे हूँ. Then I traveled for dt time. dt time के लिए और देखा मैं dx चल लिया. So dx by dt will be my speed. Is it clear until here? Fine. Clear until here दिख रहा है ना क्यों? That is why we need calculus. We need calculus to find the exact time at 12:25. We need calculus to find the exact time, exact speed at 12:25. Is it clear until here? Fine. What was the definition of rate? Rate क्या लिखा था मैंने? Correct. So again, please write in your copies. Rate is change in dependent quantity when you change the independent quantity by 1 unit. Yeah. What is rate? The change in dependent quantity when you change the independent quantity by 1 unit. What do you mean by that? When we say what is the rate of this fruit, the shopkeeper says 50 rupees per kg. What do you mean by that? If I buy 1 kg, I am going to have to pay 50 rupees. Suppose I have already bought 10 kgs. Suppose I have already bought 10 kgs and I want to buy 1 more kg. 1 more kg. How much I have to pay extra? How much do you have to pay extra? 50 rupees. So when you change the independent quantity, the weight, by 1 unit, 1 kg, the change in the dependent quantity, price depends on how much you are buying. So price depends on how much? On the weight, correct? So when you change the weight by your 1 unit, what is the change in the price? How much extra you have to pay? That is called rate. Fine. It has one more definition. Please write it down. When I say change in y with respect, WRT is with respect to x. Change in y with respect to x. Whenever I write x, I am going to mean an independent quantity, and whenever I mean y, I mean a dependent quantity. Yeah, so in this example, what is y? Price, correct? And what is x? Why? Because I am finding the change in y when I buy 1 extra kg of fruits, correct? X is something that we are changing. I want to understand कि x के बदलने से y कैसे बदल रहा है. If I take 5 kgs, 6 kgs, 7 kgs, how much extra or how much exactly I have to pay? Is it clear until here? Simple things, not till now. Fine. Change in y with respect to x को हम लोग ऐसे भी लिखते हैं dy by dx. This looks you copy down. Change in y with respect to x को हम लोग ऐसे भी लिखते हैं dy by dx. What does it mean? Same thing only, no? मैंने x को अगर dx से बदला, अगर मैंने x को dx से बदला, तो y में जो बदलाव है dy का, तो dy by dx. Change in y upon change in x. स्पीड कैसे निकालते थे? चेंज इन पोजीशन, मतलब मैंने डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रैवल किया डिवाइडेड बाय हाउ मच टाइम हैज पास्ड. So change in time, change in distance. Is it clear? Fine. Can I move ahead? Yesterday we studied something. Now what is dy by dx? कल पढ़े थे ना, last में हम लोग something was there. I made a graph, I made a slope. What is dy by dx? No one has watched yesterday's video. Can you please honestly say how many of you watched yesterday's video after going back home again? No one? Why?
Because we were in class.
No, but I said no. Go. समझ में तो आने लगा फिर भी क्लास में बैठ के भी, तो बोला था वापस देख लो एक बार. Please go back and watch it. I won't repeat it. Okay. dy by dx is also slope, which comes out to be tan theta. Watch the video, guys. I am putting the effort. You guys are not taking it, so I cannot do anything about it. Fine. I have to complete my syllabus also, no? Fine. Can I move ahead? There is a curve. सुन लो भाई, फिर से बोल ही दो, चलो. I'll repeat again. There is a curve. Okay, I don't know what the curve is. Something it is. When I travel x, at x the value is y. At x the value is y. x से मैं थोड़ा और चला, x plus dx पे आया. At this point, the value is some y plus dy. The change in y is dy. Fine. Now I want to find the slope of this particular segment. What is the slope? Y में कितना चला? How much have I traveled in y? dy. How much have I traveled in x? dx. So what is the slope? y. Slope is what? कुछ तो होता है, but dy by dx कैसे आया? dy by dx. How do I know slope is that? Slope क्या होता है? कल तो बताया था. Tan theta, है ना? Look at this triangle. dy by dx क्या होता है? Perpendicular by base. So tan theta. Fine. So when I say y is changing with respect to x, find the rate of change of y with respect to x. You have to find dy by dx. Find the slope of this curve y equals fx. You have to find dy by dx. Are you guys getting it? Write it down, please. Number one. When I say, ऐसे लिखना. When I say find, right? When I say find rate of change, find rate of change of y with respect to x. अंग्रेजी आती है ना सभी को? What do you mean by with respect to x? When I change x, what is the change in y? Yeah. So when I say find the rate of change of y with respect to x, I want to find dy by dx. I want to find dy by dx. I'll get more chairs, huh? Don't worry, Rehan. Fine? Fine? Next point. Go to the next point. When my maths teacher, Master Ji, whatever you want to call, when my maths teacher asks me to find the slope of a curve. When my maths teacher asks me to find the slope of a curve, I will find dy by dx. I will find dy by dx. And write this, ऊपर में लिख देना, मैं नहीं भूलूंगा, I will not forget. Any language, Nepali, Bengali, Malayalam, whatever. Write it down, you should not forget it. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो रट लो. Okay? Those who are new, please go and watch the video. तब समझ में आ जाएगा. For now, remember it. dy by dx slope, dy by dx rate. Fine. Can I move ahead? How did I get dy? What is the change in y? ये बोलना मुझे कैसे बोलते हैं? Change in y is how much? कैसे लिखेंगे? Something minus something how much? Change in y. हाँ.
Y plus dy minus.
Correct. So y plus dy minus y. What is this? Y plus dy is the value which I got when I changed x to x plus dx. Is it clear here? And y is the value when x was x. So the difference, the change in y is what? dy. And what is the change in x? Change in x कितना है? x plus dx हो गया minus x. How much is it? dx. So I want to find the change in y with respect to x. Change in y with respect to x. Is it clear now? x के बदलने से y कितना बदल रहा है? Fine? Okay. Suppose they say y equals sin x. Suppose they say y equals sin x. Okay. Now they will say find the rate of change of y with respect to x. Write the question. Find rate of change of y with respect to x. How will I do it? जैसे करते आ रहे हैं. कैसे किया था? First introduce a small change in x. Y becomes y plus dy. Subtract it upon dx. I get the answer. Correct? Yes, na? Okay, let's move on. How? कैसे करेंगे? At x, the value of y is, लिखो, whatever I'm writing, just write it down. Value of y is sin x. Is it right? Yeah. You should learn how to think in this way. Fine. The purpose of these questions is to induce how to think. Okay. Okay. At x, the value of y is sin x. When I change x to x plus dx, x became x plus dx. Then value of y will be sin of मैंने x को x plus dx बदल दिया. Sin of
X plus dx.
x plus dx. Yes. ये y old है, ये y new है. Are you guys getting it what I'm saying? जब x था, the value of y was sin x. When x changed to x plus dx, y became sin x plus dx. ये तो simple है. Correct? Yes. Now change in y. Tell me change in y. Change in y कितना हुआ? हाँ. No, y new minus y old कितना? Sin of x plus dx minus sin x. Now change in x is what? कितना? नया, what is the new x value?
Yes.
X plus dx. Very nice. And what is the old x value? Minus x. What it comes out to be? dx. Clear? Can I move ahead? Now they have said find the rate. What do you mean by rate? मैंने लिखाया था. Rate means what? Rate of change of something upon something. When I change x, what is the change in y? Yeah. So rate will come out to be change in y by change in x. What was change in y? चेंज इन वाई,
Very
very nice. Sin x plus dx minus sin x. What is the change in x? Minus x कट गया, dx आया. Do you know the formula for sin a plus b? No? मैथ्स में क्या पढ़ रहा है तुम लोग पहले? Sin a plus b? No? बोल भाई. हाँ, very nice, very nice. So sin a plus b जो होता है कैसा होता है? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is not important for this class. I am just showing how is it coming. Fine. तो ये होता है. So let's apply it here. Can you tell me sin x plus dx? बोलो भाई. Sin x plus dx. A is x and dx is b. Now tell me. Sin x. हाँ, sin x cos dx, then cos x sin dx. Fine. Do you remember small angle approximation I taught? When the angle is small, then sin theta is theta, and cos theta is. Now apply it. Sin, you said sin x cos dx plus sin dx cos x minus sin x upon dx. Correct? When the angle is small, the value of cos is. When the angle is small, the value of cos is 1. So what is the first term? Sin x into 1. Yes, sin x plus. When dx is small, sin of theta is. When theta is small, what is sin of theta? Theta. So what is theta here? Dx. Dx छोटा है ना? Is very small. So I am writing cos x dx minus sin x. Check it once. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. ये sin x से sin x कट गया क्या? Sin x minus sin x. So what do I get? Cos x dx upon dx. We'll get cos x. So when you read your book, अच्छा, what is the name for this rate? क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? क्या लिखा है मैंने? जब कोई बोले रेट निकालो, what is that? हाँ, slope. Okay, fine. क्या बोलेंगे उसको हम लोग? हम लोग क्या निकालेंगे? dy by dx निकालेंगे. Fine. Whenever someone says find the rate of change of something, I will calculate what? dy by dx. तो ये जो मैंने निकाला ये dy by dx है. So dy by dx equal to cos x. ये तुमको रटवा देंगे लोग. They will make you. I am not required to tell you how it comes currently, but it is very important if you want to understand mechanics. जो हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, that will start now, right? So this is d by dx. Y का वैल्यू क्या था? sin x equals cos x. What does it mean? How will I read it? How will I read it? How will it? The change in sin x when I change x by dx is cos x. समझ में आ रहा है? The change in sin x when I change x by dx is cos x.
d by dx x by dx.
हाँ जी.
आपने d by dx.
हाँ.
d by dx.
d by dx.
d मतलब
Small, छोटा एलिमेंट. d sin x by dx. इसको हम लोग d by dx of sin x ही बोलेंगे. लिखो. Write it down. Come on. This also you write down. d sin x by dx. d sin x by dx को कभी कभी sometimes मैं d by dx of sin x भी कहूंगा, मैं d sin x by dx भी कहूंगा. फाइन. अपने भाषा में जो समझ में आ रहा है वो लिखो. क्लियर? So like this there are many formulas given in your book. Fine. You have to find its value. कैसे करना है? You know how कैसे करना है. Now you know, right, how to get the value. कैसे किया? Change in y. पहले y को बदलो. Fine. You wanna do for one more? You wanna do for one more? Example. Take y equals x squared. Now you do it. Try once. Try on your own. कैसे करना है? Y equals x squared दिया हुआ है. You want to find dy by dx. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Come on, you have 2 minutes, huh? Try for 2 minutes. Try कीजिए. अच्छे से. Calculus is study of change. बदलाव कैसे हो रहा है? How is change happening? We won't be able to understand physics if we don't know calculus. This small basic concept of calculus. Fine? Is it happening?
So,
हाँ. Yeah. हाँ. See, जब x था, write in your own language. When at x, y equals x squared. Very nice. Now I introduced a small change in x. What is the change? X plus dx. So y becomes very nice. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. X plus dx whole squared. Fine. Now what is the change in y? Change in y माने क्या? जो नया y बना है minus the y old. What is new? Y new क्या है? Very nice. X plus dx whole squared minus x squared. Change in x. X plus dx minus x. Fine. Okay. So how will I find rate? When they said find the rate, what do I mean by that? Rate बोले slope बोले निकालेंगे क्या? dy by dx. Very nice. dy by dx means change in y by change in x. What is change in y? X plus dx whole squared minus x squared upon x plus dx minus x. Can you see that this x gets cancelled? Yes. Up. What can I do? What is this? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. So a plus b. Then what is a plus b? 2x plus dx. X plus dx plus x. A plus b. A minus b is x plus dx minus x. X gets cancelled. Can you guys see it? So you get dx upon dx. Cancelled. Answer is 2x plus dx. dx कितना छोटा है? इतना छोटा तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते. So this is 0 practically. 2x is the answer. Means dy by dx is 2x when y equals x square. इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं लोग. d by dx of x squared equals 2x. Fine? Yes? Can I move ahead? Yeah? So in the book, can someone show me the book? There is a series of formula. Please go through it. ठीक है? Maybe at home you try one. कॉपी कर रहे थे क्या तुम लोग? कॉपी जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ. What sign? Sign क्यों लगाया? अबे तो उधर y को sin x था ना. तो y I give you दुनिया का कोई भी कर्व. Can you find me the rate? Yes. अच्छा, find this. Suppose they have given you this and they have found out y equals x squared. Okay. Now they are saying find me the slope of this curve. Slope माने tangent बनाओ. This is the slope. They are saying find me slope of this curve at x equals 3. How will you do it? You know the answer already. Come on, tell me. Find me the slope of this curve at x equals 3. मैंने क्या कहा था? Whenever I see slope, क्या निकालना है मुझे? सामने वाला बोलते रह जाएगा slope निकाल, slope निकाल. क्या निकालोगे? dy by dx. Do I know dy by dx of x squared? अभी तो निकाला. What was that? So dy by dx जो कि slope के बराबर होता है is 2x. Now they are saying find at x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3. 6. And can you find it now? Yes? Yes? Okay. Try this. One more example. If you do this, I'll be very happy. Okay. They have given x. X is a function now of time. T plus t squared. ये नहीं हो पाएगा शायद. T squared. Yeah, they said the position of a particle. Listen to the question. The position of a particle changes x equal to t squared. The position of a particle changes according to the curve x equals t squared. Now they said find me the speed at time equal to 5 seconds. How will you do it? Find me speed at t equals 5 seconds. No one say कि सर ये तो पढ़ाया नहीं है. पढ़ाया, अभी पढ़ाया. Come on, tell me. How will you do it? They have given you x equals t squared. Find me the speed at t equals 5 seconds.
2.5.
No. No. What is speed? Yeah. तो अभी थोड़ा पढ़े लिखे हम लोग. We'll say rate of change of distance with time. Yeah. When you were small, it was fine. Distance by time. Distance by time. Right? But now we will say the rate of change of distance with time. Yeah. Come on, tell me. What is the speed at t equals 5 seconds? What is the speed at t equals 5 seconds?
10.
No.
10.
Try again. 10. How do you do it? किसने किया? How many of you did it? No? What is speed? Rate of change of distance माने position of x with respect to t. Rate of change of x with respect to t is distance is what speed? Rate माने क्या? Whenever I say rate, तो y यहाँ पे x है ना, and x is t, dx by dt. Check करो, come on, check it. When I say speed, what do I mean? The rate of change of x with respect to t. What do I mean by that? Change in x dx upon change in time dt. Do I know dx by dt? Do I know dx by dt? क्या है वो? अरे y equals x squared. You know dy by dx is 2x. Now I have just changed the name 2t, right? So it will come out to be 2t. What is this? The speed, the rate of change of x with respect to time at time equal to t. Now they have said time is equal to 5 seconds. What is the speed? Is it clear now? You see how maths and physics intersect? Yes? Speed is nothing but the rate of change of distance with time. So they have given me the equation for distance. ऐसा कुछ है, ऐसा दिखता है. Fine. Can you tell me the speed at t equal to 5? At 6? T equal to 6? 7? Fine. Is it clear now? Yeah. So the first chapter is mathematical tools. Mathematical tools. Mathematical tools. Page number 9 onwards. There is something called differentiation. इसको differentiation नहीं बोलते हैं पढ़े लिखे लोग. It is also called differentiation. Page number 9 to 11. 9 से 11 पढ़ना है और लिखना है. जो मैंने पढ़ाया क्लास में is actually more than what is written here. So just go through it once. Fine. There are formulas. There are formulas on page number 11. There are formulas on page number 11. हाँ, पेज नंबर 11 में फॉर्मूला है, उसको जाके अपने कॉपी में लिखना है. फाइन. आई शोड यू हाउ टू डिराइव द फॉर्मूला, राइट? चेंज इन y निकालो, बाय चेंज इन x करो. यस. सिमिलरली यू कैन डू फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स, बट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फाइन. अदरवाइज एंटायर ईयर विल जस्ट गो दिस ओनली, dy by dx. Is it clear? So given any function, can you find me the derivative? Can you find me dy by dx? Yes, it's simple है. Fine. Once you go back, please watch the video again. Okay. Fine. This done. And there are a few questions on page number 12, 13, 14 and 15. Please go through it. There are some questions on 12, 13, 14 and 15. Please go through it. Fine. Go through it माने read properly. Step wise you see what's happening. No need to write. So you feel that some question is tough, that you write down. Okay, fine. Do you guys remember that there was something like this I did in the first class? There is a curve and I broke down into small rectangles. Yeah, and I found the area. This is called integration. What? They have given you a curve y equals x squared. They have given me a curve y equals x squared and they are telling me find the area under this curve. मतलब मुझे ये चाहिए. What did I do? I broke it into small rectangles. Found the area for each rectangle and जोड़ दिया, add कर दिया. This is called integration. If you remember, when you do the area, it will come out to be a cube by 3. If you guys remember. Yeah, so this is how they write it. This is notation. मैंने y equals x square को इसको इंटीग्रेशन साइन मैंने इंटीग्रेट कर दिया. जोड़, दिस इज बेसिकली सिग्मा ओनली, जोड़ना ओनली, बट फॉर वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स. फाइन, इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रल. ओके, व्हाट डज इट मीन? x स्क्वायर जो फंक्शन है उसका मैंने x एक्सिस के साथ एरिया निकाल लिया. x स्क्वायर जो फंक्शन है उसका मैंने x एक्सिस के साथ एरिया निकाल लिया. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. फाइन. So there are formulas for this also. In the book. कैसे निकालते हैं? You guys know. Fine. Watch the last video. You don't need to understand everything 100%. You don't have to understand everything 100%. If it is 50%, very good. Move ahead. अगर 50% समझ में आ रहा है, आगे बढ़ो. Fine. Your doubts, please come and ask me. It's not class 10 anymore. Okay. Student will say, teacher will say, check, copy दिखाओ, check करूँगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा. It won't happen. Fine. Doubts, please come to me. I welcome it. Okay. Yes. Thank you, everyone. We will meet tomorrow. Yesterday I had given some questions to solve. Do you have doubts in that? क्या? जोर से बोल भाई. Your book.